Hey guys, it's Jyoti. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys my most favorite face mask during the winter months of the year. During winters, my skin becomes very flaky and it starts peeling. My skin is very dry during winters, and that is when I swear by this face mask. You need only two ingredients, and the first ingredient is rose petal powder. If you have a rose plant at home, then nothing like it. I ordered it from my most favorite brand, Nature's Tatwa. I have talked enough about this brand already, so I won't talk much about the brand in this video now. For the mask, you need only two ingredients, that is rose petal powder and milk. The other face masks which I use are fine for the months when my skin is normal or just combination, but during winters I need something which doesn't strip oil out of my skin or make my skin dry. So you need rose petal powder. If you cannot use milk, then I have two other alternatives as well. You can use honey or aloe vera gel. Just mix and match whatever works for you. Sometimes I use it with milk and sometimes I use it with honey, depending on what is accessible to me at the moment or what I'm feeling like. This face mask will help you in retaining moisture in the skin. It soothes the skin and at the same time brightens up the complexion. I've talked about the benefits of milk earlier as well in other videos. Rose petal powder is loaded with vitamin C and other antioxidants and nutrients which help in nourishing the skin from within without stripping any oil from your skin. That is the best part of this mask, and that is why I use it immensely during winters, because it really helps in making my skin soft, supple and smooth. And after you wash this face mask, I promise you, your skin will not crave for moisturizer like in any other face mask which are bought from the store. And after washing of the face mask, the skin feels so dry that you just run for moisturizers. It is also suitable for sensitive skin. Having said that, again I am repeating the same thing. Please do a patch test before applying this all over your face, because maybe your skin might react to it. That is why to be on the safer side, do a patch test and then only apply it all over your face. The rose also has antibacterial properties which help in fighting acne. This face mask is so gentle that you can use it around your eye area as well, and it will actually help in removing dark circles. It depends on my mood whether I am using milk with rose petal powder or honey. Sometimes I use it with milk and sometimes I use it with honey. Both have nourishing and moisturizing properties. Pretty much it from my side. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. If this worked for you, please share it with your family and friends.